threat actors are constantly looking for new ways to sneak malware onto systems, which means that they regularly change up their tactics and tools. Malware loaders commonly used by threat actors like IcedID and BazaLoader are seemingly being replaced now with a new loader called Bumblebee. Bumblebee uses APC injection to start commands that have been received from the malware's command and control servers, and has been observed dropping things like Cobalt Strike, shellcode, Sliver, and Meterpreter. The tactics used by Bumblebee help it to avoid detection, as well as prevent analysis within a virtual environment, which is a favorite method of analysis for security researchers. This new loader is distributed via an email campaign, branded to look like it comes from DocuSign, prompting users to download a quote document that is actually a malicious zipped ISO file hosted on OneDrive. The active protection included in Acronis Cyber Protect detects and blocks Bumblebee and other malware loaders, while Acronis Advanced Email Security prevents malicious emails from reaching your users' inboxes in the first place.